guys, and welcome back to another episode of The Birdman. Today we're going to be talking about the superb bird of paradise. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The male of this bird would seem difficult to misidentify with its overall black body, its iridescent blue apron of sorts which stands out among its colorless body, and a yellow interior to its mouth which can be seen while it's calm. The female of the species is a little less flamboyant and has a dark brown and light beige barred chest, a jungle brown back, and a darker grayish head. This bird can be found in parts of West Papua in Indonesia, where it resides in its habitat of upper montane forest patches and gardens, and other cleared areas. Back to this bird's interesting plumage, the male uses his stunning attire to attract and impress females during courtship, as shown in the video being played right now. Now, isn't that just fascinating? And on to the diet of this bird, which consists of a multitude of fruits, arthropods, and insects. And finally, to top this episode, we have this bird's call, which sounds like a high-pitched nasal screech. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next